Hi, it's Courtney and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can transform yourself into a red glam devil. To start the look, you'll need a red water activated face paint. I'm using Snazaroo Classic Red. Activate the paint and cover your entire face with the paint, then tap out the product with the sponge for an even finish. Don't forget to go right up into your hairline and your brows for the most natural appearance. Take the same red paint down your neck and even out with the sponge. Apply the paints onto and into your ears to solidify the red base of the look. Highlight beneath your eyes by applying white face paint and blending it out as you would with concealer. Continue this method with the white face paint and blending out with a sponge in the areas that you would normally highlight on a normal makeup base, for example the chin, nose, cupid's bow and forehead. Mix black with red to get an almost black red tone and use this to cream contour the hollows of the cheeks. To neaten up the cream contour, take the red face paint on a flat brush and paint a straight line directly below the dark red. Blend this out with a sponge to sharpen the contour. Take the dark red-black mix and cream contour your forehead and around your hairline. To make the look as natural as possible, part your hair and fill in the hairline parting with the red face paint. Set the entire face, neck and ears with a translucent setting powder, allowing it to bake in the areas you want to be highlighted, such as beneath the eyes, nose and forehead. Go over the areas that you cream contoured with a deep red shadow on an angled contour brush to enhance the depth of the look. Contour your nose with a hot red eyeshadow. Enhance and deepen the contours of your face by going over them with a black eyeshadow using the same angled brush. contour your jawline and neck for a more angled and chiseled appearance. Slightly dip a fluffy brush into a black eyeshadow and wipe off most of the product. Use this to deepen the contour on your nose. Fill in your brows with a black eyeshadow or pomade. I chose to elongate the tail of my brows and make them angular and thin. Line your lips with a cream black liner. Fill in the lips with a black lipstick. Highlight the high points of your face using a gold toned highlighter. Place the white face paint onto your lid as an eyeshadow base. Pack a black shade into the outer corner of your eye, bringing it outwards into a V shape. Use a deep red shade to soften and blend the edge of the black shade, dragging it outwards towards the temple. Deepen the outer corner with the black shade once again, using a hot red shade to blend over the edge of the entire look. Use a small fluffy brush to blur out the black shade in the outer corner of the eye to create a sultry, smoky eye look. Take the same shade on a small detail brush and deepen the inner half of the crease. Blend the edge of the black shade with a deep red shade, and then go into the inner half of the crease with the black shade on a fluffy brush to create a smoky effect. Cut the inner half of the crease using the white face paint, then set it with the gold loose highlighter you used to highlight your face. Enhance the crease by going over the edge of it with that black shade once again. Apply a thin, winged, angled liner, bringing it into a point in the inner corner of the eye. Use a flat smudger brush to apply a black shade into the outer corner of the lower lid. Blend that black shade down and outwards into the outer corner with a deep red shade. Highlight the inner corner of the lid and inner half of the lower lid using a gold highlighter. The lashes that I'm going to be applying off camera are the Doll Beauty Arianna Lashes. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other. I popped in some clip-in devil horns and that's the finished glam devil look. Let me know if you enjoyed the video by giving it a like and commenting down below. Don't forget to tag me in your recreations at Courtney Beauty UK on Instagram, at Courtney Beauty _ on Twitter, and hashtag Courtney Beauty on all platforms. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my content. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.